Sadie, what is that?
Ice cream.
Are you having ice cream cake? Again today?
She don't even look nowhere.
Yeah, she says, forget it, Grandma ain't getting none of this.
No way.
This is mine, all mine.
Look at that.
Is that your
Can you
birthday
share?
cake?
Can you share?
Uh-uh.
Can Bobby have some?
Everybody gonna have some. Everybody gonna have some. Yeah. Sadie, here.
I don't want
Ice
to.
cream.
That's her birthday
Oh,
cake.
no.
Come on.
Oh, no. What are we going to do? There you go.
And it turns off. You're welcome, Sadie.
Sadie, look
I
over
take
here.
it. Can I have it? No, she's got 2 hands.
She's putting lip gloss on over the ice
She
cream.
got chopsticks and ice cream.
Life couldn't be any better.
I chopstick.
Oh my God.
So now you're getting frostbite. You need a little chapstick there.
Can I have a bite?
I think you're going to get chapstick, not ice cream.
I
You
have a
ain't
bite?
getting none.
Daddy?
Give that a little bit, Sadie.
Hey, look at that. No way.
Mom.
Mano, que vocês puseram
Can you
ele.
share? Can Bobby have some?
She's going to give you some. Uh-oh.
Here, wait, the spoon's coming. The spoon's coming, please wait.
Can I have the chapstick?
No. I tried to get it before.
Takes that, get that. I did, Daddy.
A little ice cream. And then
What
chopstick.
about mommy? Give something to mommy.
Can Mommy and Bobby have some? She's no, I got to put it in my hair.
Everybody can.
Spoon's right over here. We'll
That
say
guy was
it.
just picking
They only gave one spoon?
Yeah.
Anybody.
How about
Sadie,
on a fork?
oh no!
That's clean.
Fork is good.
Oh no! What are we gonna do?
Put some lipstick on.
Sadie, oh no! Yes, I did. I recorded it. Sadie, oh no! What are we gonna do? Oh no!
Who's got birthday today? Sadie.